Nick Batan. Ako Terence. First five. Marciano Peco, Juno Banyana, Romy Solano, Celso Castres, and the big brother, Benny Castres. Jumbo by Bob Solidar. And go, let's go. Possession. The Grey Team, Ampon, dribbling the ball. To Lambohon drives. Derecho in the corner. Dribbling the ball. Take the shot. And in, out and in. It's 2 points. 2 points. It's a long shoot for Derecho. Castres dribbling the ball. To Obanyana. To Peco. Peco fakes. To Castres. To Peco again. Peco fakes. And take a shot. And ding dong in the ball. Dong ding dong. Derecho dribbling the ball. Derecho to Ampon in the middle. Ampon looking for Tyler. To Lambon take a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Suge miss it. Rebounded by Peco to Castres to Obanyana miss the shot. Ampon and line ball called by the referee. Castres Solano to Castres dribbling the ball to Castres to Castres again. Castres fixed to Obanyana in the middle, drives and takes the shot and makes it. What a shot by Obanyana. Easy shot. Ampon in the middle. Ampon to Batan, rebound by Castres to Castres again. Castres to Obanyana and miss it. Rebounded by intercept by Castres. Fakes. Take a shot and makes it. Smiling face by Castres. Ampon in the middle. Ampon to Suge drives. Pass to Batan, intercepted. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres to Peco lays it up and in. What a play by the black team. Galing daw sabi ng referee. Umaga ang referee. Derecho to Ampon in the middle. Lose mo yung Ampon. There's a foul. What's that foul, man? Only foul, regular foul. It's a regular foul. Sideline. That's the call. It's a regular foul. Solano to Castres in the top to Solano take an easy 2 and miss it. Obanyana, there's a foul. Number 3 zero foul. It's a shooting foul by Obanyana very active in the first quarter, making the first free throw. And makes it. Nothing but net by Obanyana, number 17. Happy birthday, Obanyana. Painom ka naman. Another free throw. Another free throw made by Obanyana. What's the score? 10-2. It's a 10-2 game. Ampon to Nick Batan. Wow, what a pass. Intercepted by Obanyana to Castres again. Castres to Peco. Missed by Peco. Rebounded by Castres. Castres. What a rebound by Nick to Derecho to Ampon in the middle, with the momentum, in the middle, drives and makes it. What a drive by Ampon. 2 points by the white team. Castres, saying signal number 5. Castres, signal number 5. And pointing to Peko. Peko takes the shot and backs it in. The bank is open by Peko. Happy birthday again, Peko. Lambon, takes a shot. Whoa, what a recovery by Lambon, number 82. Of change players. What a shot by Lambon. There's a foul there, Lambon. There's a foul. No, it's a joke, Lambon. 12-6. 12-6 is 6-point game. Who's ball, ref? Dito. Dito, tama, di ba? Dito. Bet? Mali, dapat ano? Dapat yung sa kumisira eh. Okay, so kung sa bench, sa black team. Black, nasa yung black? Black, dito, black. So papalitan na namin ha, black. So black. Sa court. Ina sinabi na yung kanina eh. Okay, next possession white. Okay, corrected na. Noel takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Suge. Rushing in. Suge drives and makes it. And white by Suge. Number 13 in 1. Score pa rin. 12-8. It's a 4-point game. One shot. Coach by the coach. Miss. Rebounded by Castres. Castres ready to move. Castres. To Noel to Banyana. Oh, easy shot by Banyana. Happy birthday again, Banyana. Number 17. 14-8. It's a 6-point game. Malong. On top. Pass to number 30. There's a foul. 3 seconds violation. Called by the referee. 3-second violation. Register. Castres. Super Karandang. Got the ball. Karandang. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Suge to Raul Apena and lazy na. Another 2 points. Momentum by the white team. It's a 4-point game. Castres in the middle. It's a 4-point game. Castres. So Obanyana, there's a foul. 4-8 foul. Side ball. Number 48, Puerto foul. First foul by Puerto. Noel, breaks. Pass to Karandang. Got that's called by Suge. Apena, leading the ball. Apena. Wow, what a pick. Oh, in and out by number 14. Garduque. Castres. White ball. Called by the referee. Puerto dribbling the ball. Puerto. To Raul Apena. To Malong takes a shot. Miss it. Castres got the loose ball. Castres to Noel drives. Miss it. Rebounded by Noel. Miss it again. Noel asking for foul. It's white ball.
Nasa sila nun! Di pasok! Dapat pasok dito.
Puerto dribbling the ball. Puerto.
Alex!
Puerto. To Apena. Oh, got scooped by Castres. To Noel. Oh, loose ball by Noel. Oh, it's only 4-point game. It's only for a 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. Puerto. Puerto. Passes to Sugi. Sugi to Abena. Abena drives. Uy. Miss it. Rebounded by Sugi. And one. And one again by Sugi. Number 15. 14-12. It's a 2-point game. Was foul, rep?
Denny.
Castres.
Okay, dalawang Castres eh.
Miss. Rebounded by Karadam. To Noel. Noel on the middle. Noel to Castres. Castres take a shot and makes it. Easy turnaround by Castres. Oh, Garduque. Garduque. Garduque to Abena. 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 Mounted by Castres. Abena. Abena. Oh, loose. White ball. White ball. Wala kat by Malong. Miss it. Rebounded by Karantang. Noel. To Castres. Oh, another loose ball. It's white ball. Seconds to go. 5 seconds. Seconds to go. Sugi, take a shot. Oh. Intercepted by Black. To Banyana. 4 seconds. Oh, miss it. Okay. That's the first 5 minutes. It's only 4-point game. There's a late rally from Sugi. Back-to-back N1 by Sugi.
Joel, ang
16-12.
Bingin na ako.
Lakas daw. Hinaan. Paano hinaan?
Lakas yung buses.
Huwag ka makinig. Ayos lang daw. Hindi pa. Lumamit ka pa.
Bingin na ako.
White ball.
Yan, bulong lang.
White ball. It's the ring na. It's the ring. Kung sino yung naka-ring.
Nasa kanyahan.
Yeah, white ball. And then we're gonna change it. Yeah, white ball. White ball. At, okay. Oh, there's a foul. Was foul, rep? 33. Celso Castres foul. 2 shots. Called by the referee. Nick Batan. Nick Batan making the free throw. Second one. Nick Batan, first free throw. Makes it. 16-13. 3-point game. It's a 1-point shot again. Another free throw by Nick Batan.
Kahit ka na ng ticket mo, wala kang bayan.
Miss it. It's a 3-point game. Oh, pumasok isa. It's a 3-point game. Solano dribbling the ball. Solano to Fernando.
Hoy, gising!
Loose ball. Violation. Derecho. It's a 3-point game. Hindi, pero ano eh. Tatlo lang. Yeah. Oh, okay. Bar, lampuon to Abela and makes it. Titignan mo yung nila si Castres. Pedro, hindi lumabas. Mamaya. Okay, nakatatlo na. Okay. Solano, Peperet. Rumble. Okay. Rep. Just second. Call it. Start the clock. Oh. Jabok. Kahit na lang. Kasi Mandarulis. Paano ba yun? Tuloy na lang sila.
Bigyan mo naman yung iba.
Bigyan mo na yun. One free throw sila. Oo nga, eh wala rin siya magagawa. Yeah. Sige. Free throw na. Wala ang magagawa eh.
Dami nila eh. Baka
Paano ba yun? Mag-i-stay na yun? Mag-i-stay na ba yun? Ano rule? Lalabas. Hindi, lalabas. Nice na po. Yeah. Okay. No rebound. Okay. Possession nyo. Wipo. Isa lang. Yung hindi ko siya ito. Ampon takes the three. Money!
yan ang...
Oh, it's a Chase Fedor, 18-16. It's a 2-point game ahead. White team.
Ayos!
Momentum by the white team. Solano handed to Fernando losing the ball. Lambon. Ampon to Abena. Abena makes a shot. Another two. Momentum by the white team. They got the energy. It's a 4-point game. White team ahead for 4 points. Wow, what a display of defense. Another 2 points. 22-16. Another 2 points. Momentum by the white team. Solano takes. Solano takes a shot and makes it. Ampon ready to go. Ampon drives and makes it.
naman! Ayos!
24-18. It's a 6-point game.
Idol!
24-18. What a defense by the white team. Making them board. And makes by Noel. Now splash in the middle. 24-20. 4-point game. 24-20. Lambon to Terencio. Dribbling the ball. Terencio takes a shot. And nothing but air. Violation, but anyways. Boom. Violation. Sinuntok yung bola. Yan. Apena. Side ball. Seconds to go. Abena, there's a foul. Oh, natapilo.
Diretso mo lang! Yan! Parang... Yan!
Paano ba? Pagano? Running time eh. Oh, okay.
Palitan!
So it's 24 seconds to go.
Labas muna!
24-20.
Labas!
Sabing.
Magpilite!
Sabing.
Career ending ba?
Sabing. Mag-team ito.
Tapos na! Wala na!
End of career!
Wala na yan! Wala na next week yan! Tapos na!
So sino mag-team ito sa kabila? Yung bagong pasok.
Si Garduque!
Ha?
Garduque ang mag-free throw!
Yung kasab niya, pare?
Kaya nga!
Ang mag-free throw.
Garduque na! Yan!
Ganun ba?
Nasa pilok ba?
Sure goal yan!
Five possession. Castles dribbling the ball to Noel. Noel to Peko. Peko takes a shot. In and out by Peko. Castles. Rebound by Castles again. There's a foul. It's Puerto. Reggie Puerto foul. 2 shots by Big Brother Benny Castles. First free throw. Miss it. Second free throw. And miss it again. Rebounded by Castles. And miss it again. Rebounded by Ampon. There's a foul. 1-7 foul. Side ball. Sideline here. 1-7 foul. Side ball. Warning for penalty. Penalty black. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Ampon. Ampon on top. Ampon on top. To Puerto. Puerto fakes. Pere on the sideline. To Garduque. To Puerto. Blanco. Pulled by the referee. Loose ball by White. It's a 4-point game. Noel. Dribbling the ball. Noel. To Castres. To Banyana. Oh, there's a foul. And one. Dong. Akaway. Leonard shot by Obanyana. Foul Suge. 24-22. It's a 2-point game. Miss it. Rebounded by Castles. And miss it. Rebounded by Castles again. Castles to Castles. Castles.
Pass to
To
Castro.
Castles. Makes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Obanyana. Obanyana to Castles. To Noel. Noel fakes. Noel in the middle. And makes it. Woohoo! It's a tie game. It's a tie game. Malong. To Garduque. To Suge. There's a foul. Was foul, right? 33.
Castres.
Penalty na ba, pare? Penalty pa rin. Ref. 2 shots.
Tatlo, apat ka na.
It's a tie game.
Apat ka na, Castres.
Natibat net by Suge. 1-point game. 25-24. Another one. Natibat net by Suge. 2 points. It's a 2-point game. Noel dribbling the ball. Noel to Peko. Peko fakes again. To Noel to Castres. Castres drives. Miss it. Rebounded by Suge. There's a foul. Number 11. Penalty, ref. 2 shot by Suge.
Apat to si Celso, apat na.
First free throw.
Apat ka na.
Oh, a first miss by Suge. Last throw by the referee. Oh, miss. Napiso. Castres to. Peko. Obanyari got the rebound. There's a foul. Foul ang point. It's 2 shot by Obanyana. 26-24. In favor of White. Perfect. Free throw by Obanyana. Another free throw by Obanyana. 2 by 2 by Obanyana. Never miss a free throw. 6 seconds to go. No.
Sayang.
It's a tie balon-balonan game. Tie 26. Second half na. Pare, bali ang possession, hindi naman tumitira dito. White. So, white ang possession. Tama. Second half na tayo. So, white possession, pare, ha? Palitin mo. Okay, one time. Okay, possession, white, ha?
I just wanna stay back.
This is a tie game.
On my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be
Third
swinging
quarter, first 5
in
minutes.
all caps. I ain't gonna lay back. Someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause
Go,
something,
Red.
can't stop this. I'ma see
Diretso,
everybody
dribbling the ball.
saying cut a shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone
Diretso.
play when they thoughtless.
Derecho.
Taste the
Lugar
pain,
tuloy.
it's like candy canes, it makes me
Gat may
change.
peko. Tukarantang. Karantang lazy up. Derecho. 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 Tukar tukay. Traveling code by the referee. Solano. The target. Solano. Solano. Nahuli ni Suge. Suge dribbling the ball. Suge. Suge drives and makes it. What a layup by Suge. Defense to offense. Solano. 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 Almost trouble to Noel. Noel takes. Two-way foul. Now no. Side ball. Kuwasa na to eh. Umpisa pa lang to. Noel, take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Suge. Suge. Lambuhon. 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 Tumpatan. Rebounded by Peko. Wala rebound by Peko. Power rebound by Peko. Solano. Solano. Ubanyana. Ubanyana breaks. Turn around. And miss it. Rebounded by Gartute. Suge. Suge. Suge dribbling. Suge. Suge dribbling. Suge. Oh! Wala rebound again by Suge. Suge to Terencio. Terencio take a shot. And breaks it. Money! 31-26 is a 5-point game. Oh, momentum all written by Suge and Terencio. Manuel. Manuel. To Peko. 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 Takes a shot. And back is open again by Peko. Shoot, shoot. 2 points. Terencio. Terencio dribbling the ball. Terencio. Terencio dribbling the ball. Terencio. Take a shot. Another one. Suge. Suge takes a shot. Rebounded by Karantang. 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 Was ball right? White ball. White ball. Inbounded by Lambohon. Lambohon to Terencio. Terencio. Terencio dribbling the ball. To Lambohon. Wala na cut by Garduque. Garduque lays it in. What a play. What a game. Let's do it. Oh, injury. Sabing. It's a 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. White team is playing like a team right now. It's a different team. Solano to Manuel. Solano again. Takes a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Suge. Terencio to Lambohon. Lambohon makes it up. And miss it. Oh, wala sa by Lambohon. Who's back? 4-5 holding. Hold by the referee. Foul. No. Side ball. Ilan foul natin? Tig-isa. Lambo, Garduque, to Terencio. Terencio to Suge. Wow, wala ka! Miss the ball. Ah, there's a foul. Two-way foul. You saw it? Two-way foul. Mahigpit ang comment. Mahigpit ang comment. Walang blind voters. 3 fouls diretso. It's a 5-point game. Noel dribbling the ball. Noel dribbling the ball. In the middle. Takes a shot. And miss it. One hustle by Lampon. Lampon. To Tereso. To Ampon. Ampon takes the 3. Miss it, Lampon. There's a foul. Solano. Ilang foul na yun? 2 fouls. 2 team fouls. Team foul din by Lampon. What hustle? There's a foul. One more foul. Oh, no, there.
Pinapasa sa...
There, doon yung foul eh. Solano. Gusto pala. Let me know. So it's a 5-point game. This is the third quarter, last 5 minutes of the third quarter. Momentum by Suke and Terencio. Making the game. 38-28. 33-28, sorry. And how many team fouls? 3 team fouls by Team E and 2 team fouls. Ito. Sino ba naman yung tira dito? White. So next possession, black. Next possession, black. Okay, black. Malong dribbling the ball. To Ampon on top. Ampon measuring. Ampon drives and kick Puerto. Oh, big miss by Puerto. Tereso got the rebound. To Ampon. To Suge. Probing. To Tereso. To Ampon takes a shot. Rebounded by Suge again. To Puerto to Ampon dribbling the ball. Ampon. Kicks it down to Puerto. Miss it. Rebounded by... Wow, what a save. It's the... Peko. Arandang to Fernando. There's a foul. Down low. Apo. 4 fouls, Apo. Warning, Apo. Warning for penalty. Ang white. 4 si Tereso. 2 points by Castres. It's a 3-point game. Tereso. To Ampon. What a cut! And lays it up by Ampon. What a play! Sugi Ampon. Castres netted the ball. It's a 5-point game. Last 3 minutes of the third quarter. Fernando dribbling the ball. To Peko. Miss it. Rebounded by Castres. Castres to Fernando. Easy shot by Fernando. All air by Fernando. Puerto. Wala pa. Suge. There's a foul. Who's foul? 55 foul. 65 foul pa rin. Pangilang team foul yan? Third team foul? 65. Oh, perfect shot by Suge. Third personal, Karandang. Miss it. Rebounded by Puerto to Suge. To Ampon to Suge. There's a foul. What a Ampon, sugi, ampon, sugi. 4 fouls, Karandan. And, ano na ba? Penalty na rin. Warning for penalty. Oh, in and out. Both warning for penalty, ha? Both warning for penalty. Rebounded by Ampon! What a rebound by Ampon! It's an 8-point game. Castres delivering the ball. Castres pointing again. Castres forwarding to Peko. What a pickpocket by Puerto to Ampon driving the ball with the momentum. Ampon to Japok to Terencio to Ampon again. Ampon takes a shot and makes it. Momentum by the white team. That's a 10-point game. Oh, getting exciting game. 57 seconds to go. And counting down. Castres takes a shot and makes it. Too easy for Castres. Puerto dribbling the ball. Walking in the lock, in the park. Puerto. Japok to Suge. Seconds to go. Ampon. Puerto on the side. To Suge. To Japok. Takes a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Carecho. That's good. Tumama na rin. No. Nag-break na pala yan pala. Nag-break. Hindi. Nag-break na, hindi pa niya naliliyak. No. Palayan mo lang siya. Hindi. Sa baba pa lang. Pag-iwal pa lang nag-break na. Oh, this is fourth quarter. Hindi. Ref. Teka, tanong ko lang ng referee. Yung possession ba yan? Out, hindi. Hindi nga, tatanong ko lang. Bakit na no count? Hindi pa niya na-release. Hindi niya pa na-release. Gather pa lang natin. Pare, mag-clean.
Review.
40-32. Possession block.
Review.
Last 10 minutes, possession block, ha? Possession block. Okay? Possession block. Next, possession white. It's a 10-point game. Okay, possession white. Castres moving the ball. It's a 10-point game. Ito, Ubanyana fix. Oh. What's the call, right? There's a foul. Okay. Anong number foul? 3-0. 4-6 foul.
Pumasok, dalawa, 6 na lang.
First free throw made by Castres.
Pumasok ka isa.
9 minutes to go.
6 na lang.
It's a 7-point game. It's a 7-point game. Another make shot by Castres. It's a 6-point game. Garduque dribbling the ball. Garduque to Lambohon. Grab by Solano to Castres. Castres to Ubanyana. Takes it up and wala layup by Ubanyana. It's a 4-point game. What a defensive pressure by the black team. Castres to Sugi takes a shot and makes it. Ang point to Sugi again. The dynamic duo of the white team. Noel to Castres. To Noel again. Dependent by Sugi. Loose ball by Noel. Lampuhon. Garduque missed the shot. Lampuhon, there's a foul. Oh, what a miss. 33. Ilang foul ni... 3 fouls, Castres. 3 fouls.
Kala ko graduate na yan.
Miss free throw. First free.
Ilipat ang ring.
36-42.
Lipat ang ring.
Was ball, right? White ball going by the referee. Lambuhon to Garduque to Lambuhon. Lambuhon to Ampon. Ampon to Abena. Abena to Lambuhon. Takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Abena. Abena to Sugi. To Ampon. Ampon again. Oh, missed the shot by Ampon. Castres to Noel. And makes it. It's a 4-point game. Lambuhon to Abena takes a shot. Miss it. Sabi niya pa. Castres to Banyana. And makes it. It's a 2-point game. Hindi pa, naka-pinpound na eh. Pagka-shoot. It's a 2-point game. Time out! White! Sabi kayo. Pare, kung magsasat ka na. Ha?
Papasok sa ako.
Time out! White! Ilang minuto yun, pare. White ball. 5 minutes and 38 seconds in the regulation. Inbounded by Lampuhon to Puerto. Puerto dribbling the ball. It's a tie game. Puerto to Sugi. Sugi dribbling the ball. To Puerto again. To Lampuhon. To Abena. Oh, there's a foul. To 5. 2 shots. Called by the referee. Pinapatay ba oras?
Oo,
5 minutes. 5 minutes pa rin. Hindi pa, tuloy pa rin pa rin.
5 patay.
Ayan.
Hindi pa rin dalang? Tanong tayo naglalaro dito ah.
It's a 2-point game. Cardiac arrest game.
Yeah, okay.
In and out by Abena. Castres, out and by Puerto. Castres. To Castres, dribbling the ball. Fakes, takes a shot. Miss it, rebounded by Castres. There's a foul. Big rebound by Big Brother. Castres. 1 more foul. It's a 2-point game. 40-42. Miss. First shot, miss. Second shot. Second shot, air ball. Automatic white ball. Puerto. Tusuki, there's a foul. 1-1 foul. 1-1 foul. Side ball. Ilang foul lang, team foul. 3 team fouls by block. 3 team fouls by block. 3 team fouls by block. Garduge! There's a foul. There's 4 fouls. Warning for penalty. Ang block. Last. Warning for penalty. Tatlo pala. Puerto to Abena. Takes a pick. Take a shot. And makes it. What a play. By Garduge Abena. 44-40. It's a 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. Obanyana to Noel. To Peko Pex. Oh, pass to Lambo. There's a foul. Penalty, ref. 4 foul Celso. Sabing. Celso 4 fouls. Scout conduct technical. Miss. Bailang pohon. Lambon, second free throw. Miss another one. Rebounded by Noel. Noel pass to Obanyana. Easy money by Obanyana. 2 points. By blocks. It's a 2-point game. Sugi to Ampun. Takes a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Noel. Karandang. It's a 2-point game. To Peko to Noel. To Obanyana. Easy 2 points. It's a tie game. 4-4. It's a tie game. Last 3 minutes. Garduge. Give the ball to Abena. There's a foul. Penalty, right? 3-7 foul. Penalty. Sabing.
I-maintain nyo yung trial.
Sabi.
Nakakasyon sa gilid.
Go. Bilisan niyo siya. Sige na, binigay na pare. Ayan, stop. Dapat yan, pag second year. What 45-44, 1-point game. Miss it, rebounded by Castres. Peko to Karandang. There's a foul. Graduate Apo. Sabing, graduate Apo. Sabing. Forty-five, 44, 1-point game.
Kaya doon tayo natalo, no?
First miss shot from the free throw. Sabing. Nabigay na. Ampon to Japok to Sugi. Lambon. Miss it. To Castres. Castres lays it up and makes it. It's a 1-point game. 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 25 seconds. Lambuhon. Was ball rep. Jambon. It's white ball. Sabing. White ball. Next possession block. White ball. Okay. Suki. Intercepted by Castres. Obanyana. Castres. White. D0 foul. Penalty. Lari 4 fouls. Penalty. Time out. Block. Let's go! Sayang momentum nyo, Black. Let's go! Sayang momentum nyo, White. Boring ko ito momentum. It's a 1-point game. Technical foul, start bodo. Tayo lang tayo. Free throw. First free throw. Makes it 47-45. 2-point game. Last shot. Makes it. It's a 3-point game. 48-45. Wow, what a defense by Castres. Intercept. Abena fakes to Sugi. To Japok to Abena. And makes it. It's a 1-point game. 1 minute 40 seconds. It's a 1-point game. It's anybody's game. It's a 1-point game. 1 possession game. Obanyana defense by Sugi. Okay. Sebo. Called by the referee. Sebo. 1.4. Sub. Injury. 1.4. Bilisan na sub. 1.4. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Okay. Check in. 8 seconds to go. Seconds to shoot. Oh, makes it. 50-47. Sapa. Garduke. Lambon. Susuke. To Lambon. To Garduke. Rebound by Noel. Solano. To Castres. Seconds to go. 52 seconds to go. 3-point game. Yeah. Same time. To Castres. Foul. Time out. White. Penalty yan. Possession. Time out. White.
Isa lang!
39 seconds to go. It's a 3-point game. Second shot. And makes it.
That's it.
Go back. Garduke. There's a foul. Ano yan? Penalty rin? Penalty ba, pare? Penalty. Hindi na pa pala penalty. Tinatanong ko lang, pare. Verify ko lang. Last shot. 51-47. 4-point game. 3-point game. 4-50-48. It's a 3-point game. Castres. Castres. Castres winning the ball. Naman niya na. Hindi, meron pa. 20 seconds. Hindi, tatlo. Nakashoot. Nakashoot pa rin. Nakashoot.
Score! Hindi naman kakagulo yan, pare.
A 5-point game. Ampon dribbling the ball. Nick Batan takes a 3. Miss it. Rebounded by Amena. Makes it. 10 seconds to go. 53-50. 10 seconds to go. Foul. 8 seconds to go.
Kaya pa!
53-50. 95 foul.
Kaya pa, pag nag-buntis yung dalawang to.
92 pala. 92 pa. Nick Batan. Dapat sa ito.
Miss.
First free throw.
Miss.
Makes it. 54-55. Sabing. 8 seconds to go.
Raul, dito!
Dapat nagtango ka doon.
Raul, dito! Raul, doon! Dito ka sa...
In and out. Suge. Oh, so na nang at the ball. That's it.